Hello all, how are you today? Welcome to OUKITEL Official. I'm Joanna from OUKITEL. Today we have a new giveaway for you. Chinese Spring Festival is coming and we are launching a new smartphone lately. So we are holding this giveaway to thank you for loving OUKITEL and supporting OUKITEL for this long time. This smartphone is the prize you will get. OUKITEL U18. On February 1st, this smartphone will start the global first pre-sale. This is the last smartphone that starts pre-sale before our Chinese Spring Festival, and it's also one of the most unique and most cost-effective smartphone of OUKITEL. So, to celebrate the Chinese Spring Festival and the pre-sale starting, we are launching this giveaway. The rules are quite simple. We will list all the rules in the description. So please check the rules before you enter this giveaway. Repeat, please check the rules before you enter this giveaway. Now let's check some details about the price U18. It looks like iPhone X, right? Both of them get unique display, but they are not the same. U18 features a 5.85-inch display with a slim body. You can hold and handle it by one hand. The notification bar is highly narrowed to the top. Then on the back, are you familiar? It looks like Huawei Mate 10 Pro. This combination is perfect. U18 will be powered by MediaTek octa-core chipset and runs on 4GB RAM with 64GB ROM storage. It also has a 4000 mAh battery for long time using, so don't worry about battery with this smartphone. The cameras are also optimized quite well. You can shoot 3D with U18. This smartphone is far more interesting than the features I mentioned above, so you can check more details on our official website. Now you can check the rules in description and enter the giveaway. See you next time. Good luck to you. Bye bye.